I pushed that decision because I don't personally manage hardware, but I got tired of having downtime when they were either patching the system or, oh, now we have to move it to this server, or we have to upgrade to Windows, Microsoft Windows, whatever version. And so I got basically tired of that sort of maintenance ongoing, and so I wanted somebody else completely off-site to be able to handle all of that for me, so that it really didn't affect us on our day-to-day. No, I haven't. I mean, I personally have noticed that the system is just as fast, if not in some cases faster. I know the portals that we use, they're a lot quicker than we had it on-prem, and work properly. Mine actually never worked before. So that was really exciting that I could get those to work. And like I said, most of the challenges we had were internal to our own levels of security. So once we actually got that knocked out, the rest of it's really been pretty good.